Good afternoon everyone. In today's video, I will discuss the continuing topic of yesterday. I was discussing subsystem of MIS, and day before yesterday, I was discussing structure of MIS. So I told you structure of MIS means which kind of system for information provided you are using. Afterwards, I discussed that one information system for the total work is not enough. You must have subsystems for the working of different kinds. Okay, so as I told you yesterday, there are three levels of management: top, middle, lower. We can also say strategic management, tactical or middle management, operational or lower management. So as management functions are different, operations are different. As we know, there are 5 functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling in management. So similarly, as everything is different than other, so only one MIS is not enough for the whole work in an organization. So we use subsystems, means small systems for particular task, for particular operation. Same is written over here. The conceptual structure of information system consists of many information subsystems for different functions. Each subsystem provides support for operational control, management control and strategic planning. Subsystem of MIS can be described in terms of organizational function which they support, or according to managerial activities for which they are used. Most regions operate many IS. Okay, many businesses use many information system, like one for marketing department uses one for marketing, one for finance, and one for production, one for HR, and so on. But in fact, these business functions have information interdependencies. Okay, means they are related with each other. Systems thinking tells us that ideally information systems supporting different functions would connect so that information from one system flows into another accurately and without delay. For example, a business can develop information for market research to define design requirements for products, and Salesforce can then use the information to sell the product. Simple, means business एक develop कर सकता है system for market research. Similarly, Salesforce can use that system to sell the product. So subsystems can be many and they should be interrelated with each other. Next is written over here. Information systems have evolved within organizations over past 20 to 25 years. Means since 20 to 25 years we are using information systems or MIS. Okay. This growth involves the construction of operational, tactical and strategic planning information system to support managers of the business. The activities of an organization include day-to-day operations, effective allocation of resources and strategic planning. Operational information system processes transactions. Operation means any function. Transaction describing the acquisition and disbursement of corporate resources. Okay, function means for functioning we use operational information system. First line supervisors use operational system to monitor day-to-day activities. Account receivable, accounts payable, payroll systems are example of operational system. Next, middle level or tactical information systems provide middle manager with the information they require to allocate resources needed to achieve organizational goals. Often these tactical systems summarize or aggregate data generated from operational system. Last, strategic planning systems help senior management to identify organizational goals. So as there are 3 levels, similarly there are 3 information systems. For senior levels it will help for making plans and goals. For middle level it will help to acquire or allocate resources for organization. Similarly for lower level it will work for day-to-day operations. Just leave this last line, information for strategic planning. You can leave this line, just do it till goals. Last, at each level of organization there are information systems supporting the major functional areas of the business. Similarly, same is written over here. हर लेवल पे इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम होता है फॉर एवरी फंक्शन एरिया. सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग सिस्टम हेल्प द फर्म आइडेंटिफाइंग कस्टमर फॉर the firm's product or service, develop products and service to meet customer needs, promote and and services, sell the product and services, and provide ongoing customer support. Okay, means as different systems are providing different kind of information, similarly sales and marketing system provide information related with customer. Similarly, manufacturing and production system deal with planning, development and production of products and servicing. Controlling the flow of production means all the work related with marketing and production are done using manufacturing and production information system. Next, finance and accounting system keeps track of the firm's financial assets and fundamental and funds flow. Okay, पैसे का लेन देन, मनी कितनी आई, कितना मनी इनफ्लो, मनी आउटफ्लो, all works related with money are done by financial and accounting system. Next, human resource system maintain employee records. HR department and HR related information systems maintain employee records, track employee skills, job performance and training, and support planning for employee compensation. Compensation means money in form of salary and wages and career development also. Means all the work related with employees are done with the help of HR information system. Okay. However, the growth of data processing systems involve more technology and application. It requires user involvement in application development, the organization and management of MIS function, and development of effective planning and control strategies. Okay. You can leave this paragraph also. Just do 2 paragraphs only at the last. Finish it till career development. Okay, thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.